Hey guys, Chris again, ClassicVWBugs.com. What you see here is a 1968 Zenith Blue Beetle. Doing a custom kind of a resto to this for my good friend Joe and also a client of mine. And he wanted to go with a new interior, some new look to this car, a beefier engine, and put in a 3-fold RaGtoP sunroof. This is the Britax sunroof kit that they sell today. If you look up Britax on Google, you'll come up to their webpage. It's in Portuguese. They have some videos on there on how to do this. You do not have to repaint your car after you put this RaGtoP in. What's really nice about this, you can do this to an existing car if it's already been restored, and even if you have the original headliner in there or the one-piece headliner that you have for a car like this, you can do it. And it's a really big roof. It comes way back to about here, which is really nice after the fold. So very reminiscent to what was offered in the 50s. So I had my body shop actually cut the roof in. I normally don't do this kind of thing, guys. I mean, unless, you know, I would only do this to a car that's maybe not numbers matching. You know, to an original car, it'd be hard for me to stomach that. But I think this is going to be pretty cool. This is not a numbers matching car. The body and chassis match, but not the engine. And it's a 68. It's not, there's a lot of these out there. It's not like a 50s oval Beetle or a split window or something like that, but really cool. It's going to look really nice. I just put the headliner in today from SoFine. Of course, the gray tweed headliner he opted to go for. And what you're going to want to do is, so I put the headliner in like this, just as if you would a one-piece headliner. And I've showed you guys how to do that before with videos that I have. So I put that in, and I told Carol at SoFine what we were doing, so she sent me a headliner that was made for a metal crank sunroof that normally is up here. So you see there's no bow pockets or sewing all the way up to this point, because we're going to cut that anyway. It's coming out. But if you do have a one-piece headliner for a sedan and you have the bows in the roof, it's okay. This RaGtoP will still work. So I put it in. Now all I got to do is tomorrow come in and cut the square out, and then it gets glued up to this piece here. The chrome gets glued to this lip here, and then they have like a pinch welt that goes over this to hold the headliner in safely, kind of like this, what you see on pop-out windows. This is like a pinch welt here. So this exact pinch welt will go in the roof opening to the chrome, the rail here. And when you order this kit, they give you the RaGtoP already assembled. So it already has the material on it and the headliner already attached. But it's in vinyl, the vinyl headliner, and the RaGtoP, which wasn't too bad, that was also vinyl. I did not care for the quality. The quality of the headliner underneath, I'll be honest, guys, it's kind of like along the lines of like a shower curtain. So I really didn't like the quality of that, neither did my clients. So we sent this out to an upholstery shop nearby with plenty of material, blue canvas material and plenty of tweed material. They took the whole RaGtoP mechanism apart for us, and then they did the sewing and the attachment here. So that's one of the things that's really cool about the kit, is that you get the RaGtoP, the slider, all assembled, and then once you install your headliner or put your headliner up into the bows, the rails, you just put the slider in and you're done. But we wanted it to look nice, so it's going to look pretty cool. I'm really impressed with this so far, and it's a nice big roof. And if you ever wanted a sunroof RaGtoP, which is getting more and more difficult to find, yeah, you're going to have to opt for something like this. So very cool. Tomorrow I'll be cutting the roof, the hole in the headliner, gluing everything up, and hopefully be wrapping this roof up. And 1968 Beetle with a RaGtoP sunroof. How about that? We put some white walls on it, painted up those rims. They do sell now moon hubcaps for the 4-lug wheel, for the 68 and later wheel. How about that? That's pretty cool. So we went with that, and he's going with a bit beefier motor that I've showed before. I don't know if I showed you guys this yet. So we went with it's a 1600 Brazilian block that he had in the car to begin with. And so we put a big bore piston and cylinder kit on there. And that just slips right into the block. And a mild cam upgrade. So pretty cool. We got a MP Sport muffler that we're going to put on this. And she's going to be a runner. Good little car to boogie down the highway. So, all right, guys. See you later.